Hey, Nick Slinkovich here. We'd love to talk to you about sexual wellness options, and who doesn't like that? Increased ability to orgasm and satisfaction with sex can come with treatments such as ThermiVa and O-Shot that can help improve lubrication of the vagina, increase sensitivity, tightening, and even help with urinary incontinence. Lauren's going to say a few words about the treatments we offer, and she would love to talk with you.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I am one of the aesthetic nurse providers here at Colorado Plastic Surgery Center, and today we're going to be talking about something nobody ever wants to talk about, which is sexual wellness. We do offer two treatments for women's sexual wellness, the O-Shot and ThermiVa, and typically they're sold as a package for the best results. Both of these treatments address many issues with sexual wellness. It helps with decreased libido, pain during sex, trouble reaching an orgasm, vaginal dryness, mild incontinence, and vaginal laxity. First, we'll talk about how the O-Shot works. What we do is draw your blood, pull out the platelet-rich plasma, also known as PRP, which is full of growth factor, which helps regenerate tissue. Next, we take the PRP and it's injected into the clitoris and the vaginal wall, also known as the G-spot. I know this sounds super painful, but what we do is numb people up topically, and most patients are super comfortable. So this is the ThermiVa device. It works by inserting a small wand into the vagina. It emits radiofrequency, which gently heats the vaginal walls, causing the tissue to tighten. Both of these treatments require a series for the best results, and annual maintenance is required as well.